Okay, so today on this Corsa F, we're changing our heater resistor. So to change the heater resistor, we need to take this complete dash out. The heater blower sits in there, but the heater resistor, as you can see, right within the heater matrix, just behind there. So all this dash needs to come off just to change the heater resistor on this, which is a very common fault, as this Vauxhall is not a Vauxhall anymore. That's your heater resistor. So you gotta take all the dash, complete dash off. Just putting everything back. Thank you for watching.